So what go on? What you say, yeah, chef?
Nah man, John Chef, one chef, you don't know?
Yeah.
All the time, brother. One thing we have is to big up the Yardman family, straight up.
For real.
Don't know. John Chef, Leroy Chef, you don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You say Chef Leroy.
It's me. Leroy.
It's me, Chef Leroy.
Alright.
One John Chef, one chef.
I know you say you have something on the grill?
So we have that, what is it? Yard style, on the grill. See that? I don't know enough.
Some jerk chicken.
Some jerk chicken, really hard style jerk chicken.
And we have fried chicken and stuff.
Yeah, fried chicken.
Fried chicken, we drop fried chicken and all right away.
See,
Yeah.
gosh, look there, people. Look at that. So you give them the yard style?
Yard style fried chicken. Yard
I
style.
don't know that I bet on your face of the island.
Look there, guys. Look at that. So Chef Leroy have fry up some fried chicken right now.
Right away.
Ongoing. I say it's an ongoing event, year
Yeah.
to year. Taste of the Island. So you know, so a one chef and a John Chef, Chef Leroy, team together, team outside I do it, team yellow, team black inside.
Ah, whoa. So you say Chef Leroy, you fry up some chicken.
Right away, man.
Alright.
As we speak,
Yes.
you don't know, it's me, Chef Leroy, once more.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Alright, guys. So right now we are at Taste of the Island. We're in Toronto. Yes, guys. Look who it is. Yeah, man.
Chris Barnes.
Yeah, man. Alright, guys. So right now, as you can see, we are at Taste of the Island, and we are here with one of the person who's in charge of Taste of the Island.
Hi, my name is Solange.
What is Taste of the Island?
So Taste of the Island is created for Caribbean people to come together
Right.
underneath one roof and show their creativity.
Yes.
All the entrepreneurs in Canada.
Yes.
And what we do with whatever funds we do get, we do grocery for a Caribbean island.
Okay.
And we donate that back to the community, to the islands. So every year we provide grocery for a different island. So last year we did it, was our first year, and it was amazing.
Nice, nice.
This is our second year, and we donated to St. Lucia,
Yes.
Denry St. Lucia, and this year we're donating to St. Vincent,
Okay.
a school in St. Vincent.
Okay.
So yes,
You have all different kind of vendor. What kind of things they sell? Like, is it just food alone?
no, we have food, we have makeup, we have soap makers, we have jewelry makers, we have bag makers. We like, as long as you're creating something,
Yes.
we want you to come out because we need to connect with one another.
Okay.
It's all about connecting. For us to stop going outside and searching, we could search within our own community, our own people.
Right.
Caribbean people, we are one.
That's right.
We are one. We could do what we want, but we fall underneath one. We're one nation.
Right.
Not because we're St. Vincent. St. Vincent and St. Lucia, we're the same people. So this is why I created Taste of the Island.
Okay. And everything that you get, you donate it back to
Yes, we do. We don't keep a penny.
Caribbean.
We do not keep a penny. We generalizing everybody. We all fall underneath one umbrella, a big umbrella, and we all finding a way to fit underneath it.
Yes.
That is it.
Yes. And you have this what, once a year or just like twice a year? How?
No, we're doing once a year because we're still fresh.
Yes.
Second year,
The second year.
yes, and we want it to be a tradition.
Okay.
It have to go big. Everybody that come out, I just give thanks. Like honestly, I'm
So,
grateful.
all right. If anyone watching this and they want to donate or they want to help, is they have a like a Instagram or email or somewhere they can go on a social media to contact you or donate or?
I haven't gotten there yet. I have my email.
So they could contact you on your email.
Yes, I have Instagram. So you're able to contact me at 416-317-9351, and we're also at Cherishway 758, which is our Instagram. We also promote there, or you could follow me on Facebook at Solange Augustine. See you guys next year. Whoever didn't make it this year, next year we're out here. Gordon McKay Road, 30 Gordon McKay Road will be out here. So we want to see you next year. The vendors are welcome. No matter what you do, come. We want to know you. We want to see what you're providing so we could come out and support you. It's all about support and love. That's it. Sponsor my auntie. She knows this thing. I'm a family member and I'm gonna support my family because we're all from the Caribbean. We support each other no matter what it is.
That's true.
But I mean, network, I would do it for anybody else.
Nice. Yeah, man. So what do you think about Taste of the Island?
Well, Taste of the Island now is like a good experience now because you get to meet all people from every different island. St. Vincent, St. Lucia, Grenada, all the islands.
Yeah.
And we get a taste of all their culture and what they are all about.
Right.
So it's a good experience for everyone to come out and enjoy. It's a family fun day. The kids have their bunks about and everything.
Yes.
And we have restaurants from basically most islands. Some islands have crafting and stuff like that.
Yes.
But so it's a good experience for everyone to come out and experience. It's a yearly event and it's growing bigger and better. So endorse.
And which island you represent?
Represent Jamaica.
Alright, that's good. And
I represent World Class Kitchen.
World Class Kitchen.
World Class Kitchen.
Yes.
Yes.
And what?
World Class Kitchen now is a kitchen that does everything.
Right.
We do from planning to nyamming.
Say
So
it again.
therefore, from planning to nyamming.
Yes.
So we do from your planning events up until you're ready to eat, drink, whatever. You just need to tell us what you want and we'll do it for you.
Alright.
So you can link us up. 437-928-4544.
Yes.
Link us up and we'll do it for you.
So wait on, I am Chef John, a team.
Me and Chef John work as one team all the time.
Yes.
Never stop, non-stop.
Yes.
It's a team thing. It's a team thing.
It's a team thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you think about this whole thing, Taste of the Island.
You know what? It's my first time at Taste of the Island.
Yes.
I think it's a progressive event.
Yes.
We just have to start work together,
Yes.
build together, and make this event work as a Caribbean.
Right, which
Right?
is true.
So we always hear about Jerk Fest, Taste of the Danforth, Taste of whatever. So this is now Taste of the Island.
Taste of the
So we need the Caribbean people to come out and support this event. It's a year-to-year event. And you know it's a world-class kitchen. Otherwise, you know, Top Chef John is here alongside the world-class chef.
Right.
So we're all here to do it.
Yes. And you don't know, for everyone out there watching, where they can find you on the social media.
Find me on social media at Chef John or 416-832-7076.
That's your phone number.
That's my phone number.
So say it again.
416-832-7076. Or find me on Instagram at Chef John.
Yeah. All right. So
Yeah.
when them can meet you at
Yes, this is World
Chef
Class
Leroy.
Kitchen. It's me, Chef Leroy, again,
Yes.
representing. So you can find me 437-928-4544, or you can go on Leroy Panton on Instagram, and
Okay.
you'll see my
Nice. And then for all the people out here, this is an yearly event, so they can come
early
here.
event annually, and it's a family event, family fun day. It's a fun filled day.
All right. And also, this event is a give back event.
It's a give back event, it's a charity
Yes,
event.
it's a charity
because
event.
at this event we give back like school books and school bags and stuff like that.
Yes.
So we give back to school.
Yes. Nice. All right. Bless.
Bless
Yeah,
up,
man.
it's me, Chef Leroy.
That is it.
Out.
Yes, guys, as you can see, this event is a charity event. It's a give back event. So whatever they make here, they're gonna donate it to one of the Caribbean. So this year they said they're gonna donate it to St. Vincent, and you know it's for a good cause. So if you can support, support. As we say, one love, straight across the Caribbean. You don't know, we have to take a stroll down here, and it's a good vibe for a good cause,
Definitely.
And a lot of people out there don't even realize how important it is when we can help each other. You understand? Especially when time.
Everything's so uncertain. Everything's so uncertain. Nobody knows what's going to happen the next day, right?
Yes.
So to have something like this where everybody comes together, one Caribbean, trust me, excellent.
Right.
Excellent.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing, man. So even if you don't make it to the event, I'm gonna put all the information in the description. So you don't know, you can just reach out and donate. Whether you have a bag, book, pencil, doesn't matter. Reach out to her and just donate, because she has spread the love and she has spread the unity, and we say one love throughout the Caribbean, and that's how we do it. Yeah, man,
One Caribbean.
one Caribbean and one love, just like that.